hello to you. And you over there. Hey. Hi, everybody.
I say color. I say color. I say color.
Hi, Abby.
Hi, Big Bird. Hi, everybody.
What were you just singing?
Oh, I was just singing about how hot it is. I say color. I say color. Rosita told me that I say color is Spanish for it is hot.
It sure is hot. I've been flopping my wings all day to keep cool.
Do you want to sing with me to keep your mind off the heat?
Sure.
I say color. I say color. Put frying egg on the cement. It's so caliente.
Caliente?
It means hot.
Caliente. It sure is.
How about this weather? It sure is hot.
Come, everybody. Let's sing with us. Maybe it'll help us forget how hot it is.
Are you ready? Here we go. I say color. Now you sing it. Put frying egg on the cement. It's so caliente. I say color. Now you.
I'll say color.
How about this weather? It sure is hot. I like it.
It sure is fun singing with all of you. Would you like to sing with more of your Sesame Street friends?
Great idea, Big Bird. Let's get Bert, Ernie, Zoe, and Elmo out here. Should I make them appear with my magic wand?
I think we should just call for them.
Oh, right. Come on out, everybody. I say color.
I say color.
I say color.
I say color.
Frying egg on the cement. It's so caliente. I say color.
Oh, it's hot.
Look so color.
It's really hot.
How about this weather? It sure is hot.
I say color. See, it's as hot as an enchilada.
See, La Cabeza starts to feel like a cheese tostada.
I say color.
See, it's as hot as a hot tamale.
I say color.
See, it's as hot as a hot tamale.
I say color.
Sí, señor. Put frying egg on the cement. It's so caliente. I say color. Mucho color. How about this weather? It sure is hot. Oh, no way.
yeah.
I need a fan. Wow, hot.
Oh, I wish I wasn't so hot.
I wish there was a cool breeze.
I wish I'd used a stronger deodorant.
You know what Elmo wishes?
That you weren't standing so close to Bert?
Elmo wishes there was a beach on Sesame Street. Oh, what a
Yeah,
great
that'd be
idea.
Yeah, that would be perfect.
Yeah, let's play.
Yeah, and if there was a beach on Sesame Street, we could all go swimming, huh?
Yeah, and we could build sandcastles.
Oh, and I could look for seashells. The paperclips of the ocean.
Well, we are at beaches, so we should probably go to a beach. We could have a beach party. Oh, does that sound like fun to all of you? Let's go.
Yay! Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Is there a lot of water at the beach, Abby?
Of course, Big Bird. It's a beach by the ocean. My mommy says you can't have a beach without the water.
Oh. Well, okay. Sure, I like water, I think. Okay, let's go. But wait, how will we get to the beach?
Oh, roller skates. Choo-choo train.
Oh, I know. Monorail.
Monorail.
How about a car?
Oh, good idea, Big Bird. Let's pretend to drive. Get your beach gear, everybody. Let's go driving in an automobile. Let's take a ride in a car. Listen to the motor go vroom, vroom, vroom as we travel near and far. Sing it with us, everybody, and put on your pretend seatbelts. Here we go. the sand.
Look at all the people.
Look at all the towels. Hey, that one has stripes. Come on, Ernie, maybe we can get a picture.
Oh, boy. Everyone loves the ocean. Check out those waves, baby.
Those waves look kind of big.
Come on, Big Bird. Let's go splash around in them.
Me? No, thank you, Abby. I can't go in the water right now. Maybe I'll go swimming later. Right now, I'm very busy.
Busy? Busy doing what?
Oh, I'm counting seagulls. Yeah. The count might want to know how many there are at the beach. Yeah, see, let me count. This might take a while.
Hey, what are they doing out there with those big boards? Oh, I know. My mommy told me. It's called, surfing. You stand up on that board and ride that wave back to the beach. Oh, it looks like they'll have to try again. Oh, boy, I want to hang 10. I want to shred the surf. I want to shoot the girl.
Really? I don't know, Zoe. That's a lot of water.
I want to surf. I want to surf.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA,
Then everybody be surfing like California, yeah.
You see the women there families, a rusty sandals too, a bushy blonde hair girl.
Summertime, 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 summertime.
Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on, let's have fun with me. Round, get around, I get around, yeah. Get around, round, round, I get around. Run, till my daddy takes the teeth away. Run, till my daddy takes the teeth away.
Oh, wow, what a T-bird!
Everybody's going surfing. Surfing to us all. Everybody's going surfing. Surfing to us all. Everybody's going surfing. Surfing to us all.
wow, don't you just love the beach? Yeah, so does my old buddy Bert. Now, Bert likes to collect shells, so I'm gonna hide this shell, and then we can help him find it, okay?
Oh, this will be fun.
There. Now remember where it's hidden. Oh, here he comes now.
Hi, Bert. What you doing?
Oh, hey, I'm looking for seashells. Have you seen any?
They sure have.
Yes, Bert, there's one hidden nearby. Now, we'll tell you when you're getting close by saying hot or cold.
Yeah. When Bert is too far away from the seashell, say cold. Then, when Bert is closer to the seashell, say warm. And when Bert is really, really, really close to the seashell, say hot. Or caliente.
Oh, I get it. A seashell game. Okay, I'm starting to look. Tell me if I'm hot or cold.
Cold. Cold, cold. Warm. Hot. Oh, hot, hot. Caliente.
You found it, Bert, you found it.
Oh, you did it, Bert. Thanks for helping. I'll show you how my mommy does it. Hey, I bet one of you daddies wants to learn this dance too. Zoe, can you find a daddy that wants to learn this dance? Shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me I love you more than all those pearly little shells. How's everyone doing? Okay, let's try this again. Pearly shells,
Pearly shells.
the ocean,
Getting wet.
shining in the sun,
Look at them all shine.
covering
The
the
shore.
When I see them,
Are blinding.
my heart tells me I love you more than all those little pearly shells. Okay, that's the idea. One more time with feeling.
Pearly shells from the ocean, shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me I love you more than all those little pearly shells. More than all those pearly little shells.
Okay, everybody. I think I'm ready to go into the water. I think I want to go swimming now.
All right. You can do it, Big Bird.
Yes, I'm going to go swimming. I'm going to be a swimmer. I think I need some swimming gear. Maybe I should go get some flippers. I'll be right back.
Oh, wait, Big Bird. Did you see that?
Hey, something just jumped out of the water.
It was a fish.
That was a fish?
A flying fish.
A flying fish? I knew birds could fly, but I didn't know fish could fly.
Isn't the ocean magical, Big Bird? Why not try being a fish?
But I'm a bird, not a fish.
Just use your imagination.
Hey, yeah. I could use my imagination and imagine I'm a fish. Okay, let's imagine.
Come on, everybody. Let's imagine we're all fish.
It's incredible where you can go in your imagination. Hitch a ride on a cloud and go sailing off into the blue. Ask a high-flying birdie to come with you on your vacation. There's a rainbow of beautiful colors waiting for you. It's remarkable who you can meet in your imagination. You can swim with the fishes. Yeah, I could swim with the fishes.
feed the eel through an Irish reel.
The catfish is a dancing man, but he can like a sardine can. At the codfish pond.
Wow, what a great beach day!
Oh yeah, a day at the beach is so relaxing. Every muscle in my body is calm.
Oh, did you like pretending you were a fish, Big Bird?
Yeah, I really like the codfish ball.
Swimming is just like flying, Big Bird, except it's in the water.
Just like flying? Well, maybe. I'll just see if it's warm enough to swim in. I'm going. I'm not going.
It's okay, Big Bird.
The ocean. It's just so big.
Hey, I know. Why don't you pretend that the ocean is one big bathtub full of rubber duckies?
Yeah, good idea, Ernie. Let's all pretend we're in the bathtub splish splashing around.
Well, that sounds like fun.
Yeah, the water's all full of soap bubbles. Come on, help Big Bird get into the tub. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird. That's right. Come on, everybody. Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird.
Okay, I'll do it. Make room for me. I did it! I'm in the water! Yay! Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Rub-a-dub-dub, just relaxing in the tub. Thinking everything is alright. Oh well, I stepped off the tub, put my feet on the floor. I wrapped my towel around me and I opened up the door and then splish splash, well I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? Plenty, whoa!
Oh my, Big Bird, was he in there too? Well,
Splash, splash, forget about the bath. Oh, waiting for his dancing shoes on. Yeah!
We were rolling and a strolling, feeling to the feeling, doing and a grooving, yeah!
Splishing and a splashing, rolling and a strolling, moving and a grooving, yeah!
Splashing and splashing, feeling with the feeling. Splash, splash, we were taking a bath. I gotta go put my dancing shoes on.
I'm doing a backstroke.
yeah, that's terrific. I love taking a bath myself. Yeah.
Splash, we were taking a bath. Splash, splash, we were taking a bath. Wow!
Are you getting all sandy? Okay, close to that.
Look, everybody! The sun's going down. Looks like our beach party is over. It sure was a lot of fun. I got to surf.
I went swimming!
And I got sand in my bathing suit.
Well, we better be getting back to Sesame Street. Come on, guys. Time to say goodbye to all our new friends. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Thanks for coming.
Wait. Can't we stay a little bit longer?
Sure, Big Bird. Let's all jump into that water one more time.
Yay! Beach party!
Somebody pass me a towel.
ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Elmo and friends. Come on.